Hi guys, this is Esther with Influx Entrepreneur, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a simple page. Now the first thing you're going to do is go to create website pages and then click add new. Now you're going to click use the Divi builder and then use visual builder. You have three options here. You can build from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or you can clone an existing page. Today we're just going to choose a pre-made layout. Now there's different categories here. There's arts and design, business, community and nonprofit, education, events, fashion and beauty, food and drink, health and fitness, lifestyle, online store, services, simple, and technology. So we're just going to go through these real quick. So I'm just going to go to food and drink because I love food. And we're going to click on the first one here that says restaurant. Now there's different demo pages here. There's an about page, a blog page, a contact page, a gallery page, a team page, a shop page, a landing page, and a home page. I'm just going to use the home page for now. So I'm going to click on use this layout. So here we have the page. So as you can see, everything's already basically filled in. You would just be able to change the text. You can change the color of the buttons if you choose. You could change the background. This is dummy text. All this is called lorem ipsum. So all you would have to do is just take it off. This is email opt-in, and they'd be able to contact you. Here's your hours of operation. Again, this is just a template. You can change up whatever you want to change up. So there you guys have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.